If you're ordering industrially spun machine knitting yarn from Color Mart or elsewhere, you will need a rudimentary understanding of yarn sizes. We've provided a useful graph to help you convert machine knitting, hand knitting, and machine knitting yarn terms, but here's a brief overview. Looking inside a cone of yarn, you might see something like 2/14 NM. This is the most commonly used metric yarn count system. The 2 means that it is a 2-ply yarn. The 14 means that there would be 14,000 meters of a single ply yarn in this size to weigh 1 kilo. 1 kilo is 2.2 pounds. The NM stands for new metric or normal metric. I've seen them both. So a single 14s would have 14,000 meters per kilo. A 2/14 would have 7,000 meters because it is twice as heavy as a single 14s. A 4/14 would have 3,500 meters per kilo, and so on. A 2/28 would have 14,000 meters per kilo, same as a single 14s, so they're the same size. A 2/14 works great on a standard gauge machine, so you would need 2 cones of 2/28 to get a similar result. On a bulky machine, you could use 2 cones of 2/14 or 3 cones at a looser tension. See how it works? As a side note, a single ply yarn is not great for machine knitting. It will tend to make the fabric torque or skew sideways when knitting using one bed. It is better used in a rib structure. That was one of our videos from the beginner class at the Knitting School. To find out more or to watch the whole class, go to the website www.theknittingschool.online.